Welcome back to the National Update. If you've been watching the news lately, you know the political landscape in Washington isn't just shifting, it's vibrating. Today, we are diving into a high-stakes standoff between the White House and the highest court in the land, a futuristic breakthrough in how you'll get to work, and a massive legal ruling that just changed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people overnight. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on what's actually happening in America, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss what we have coming up next. We start at the White House, where President Trump just leveled a blistering critique against the Supreme Court. During a roundtable discussion that was supposed to be about trade, the president didn't hold back, claiming the justices lacked the quote-unquote guts to stand by his administration. This isn't just a simple disagreement, it's a fundamental clash over power. The president is frustrated that the court hasn't fully cleared the path for his signature tariff policies and his aggressive plan to federalize the National Guard. It raises a massive question for the American public. Is the court acting as a necessary check on executive power, or is it standing in the way of the mandate the president believes he was given? Drop a comment below and let me know. Do you think the Supreme Court should be more supportive of these national security moves, or are they right to hold the line? While the battle for control heats up in D.C., the way we move across the country is about to look like a sci-fi movie. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy just pulled the curtain back on a revolutionary pilot program for next-gen aircraft. We are talking about air taxis. Folks, Joby Aviation has been tapped to lead the charge, with operations set to begin across 10 states this year. This isn't a 10 years from now project. This is happening today. Imagine bypassing 3 hours of gridlock in a silent, electric aircraft that lifts off like a helicopter and flies like a plane. This is a massive bet on American innovation, and it could completely redefine urban infrastructure. Are you ready to hop into an air taxi, or are you keeping your feet firmly on the ground for now? I want to hear your thoughts on this one because the commute of the future is officially here. Finally, we turn to a major development in the U.S. legal system regarding immigration. A U.S. appeals court has officially blocked the administration's attempt to revoke legal protections for over 350,000 Haitians living in the United States. The court pointed directly to the collapsing rule of law in Haiti as the primary reason these individuals cannot be sent back. This ruling is a significant blow to the administration's efforts to tighten humanitarian programs and will likely spark a new wave of debate over the limits of executive authority versus judicial compassion. It's a complex, emotional issue that impacts communities from Florida to New York, and it ensures that the legal battle over who gets to stay in America is far from over. There is a lot to process today, from the halls of the Supreme Court to the skies above our cities. We keep our eyes on these stories so you can stay informed. If you found this update helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with someone who needs to know what's going on. We are growing fast here at the National Update, and it's all thanks to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.